Welcome to the Ultimate Finance Face-Off. We're diving deep into the 2026 budget app battle, YNAB, versus the successors to Mint like Monarch. Can't budget? Mint's gone, and YNAB costs $99 per year. Which one truly wins for 2026? Americans waste $500 monthly overspending. Pick the right app now to save thousands this year. Hey, USA Money Tracker here. We've seen chaos post-Mint shutdown, with 20 million users scrambling for alternatives. This is the core difference. YNAB forces every dollar to have a job, demanding active control. Mint, on the other hand, was passive auto-tracking. Which style fits your financial needs in 2026? Chaos or control? Let's kick off our head-to-head comparison, looking at features, pricing, and what wins for the average US user, starting with the Mint successors, like Monarch. Mint-style apps like Monarch offer a free entry point, though Monarch itself is now $99 annually. They excel at auto-categorizing transactions, tracking your credit score, and setting bill alerts. It's all about great dashboards for net worth and spending trends. A key 2026 update is the functionality seen in apps like Rocket Money, which adds subscription cancellation services, though typically for an extra fee of $4 to $12 per month. The downside to the passive approach is that it's reactive. There's no proactive planning for irregular bills. This is ideal for users who already earn more than they spend. For example, Sarah instantly sees she overspent $300 on dining, but only after it happened. Now let's look at the budgeting heavyweight, YNAB. You need a budget. This is a very different beast. YNAB costs $14.99 monthly or $99 annually, but they offer a free trial. Their core philosophy is zero-based budgeting. You assign every single dollar to categories up front. YNAB provides amazing support, including live workshops and goal sharing. Plus, the 2026 boost includes improved AI transaction matching, making initial setup much smoother. Users frequently report saving $600 in their first year. While it's slightly more manual, it's designed to teach lasting habits. For example, John budgets $200 for fun. If it's gone, he adjusts his spending in real time. So which app is right for you? The winner truly depends on your specific financial needs and your temperament. If you're a beginner or prefer automation, the Mint-style apps like Monarch are your choice. They offer free insights and win with a 9/10 score for ease of use. However, for debt payoff or serious saving, YNAB's structure wins. Studies have shown YNAB users reduce impulse spending by 29%. YNAB pays for its $99 annual fee in about 1 month just by cutting out saved coffee runs. The 2026 verdict is clear. YNAB is for financial transformation and the control freaks, while the Mint Airs are best for passive monitoring and hands-off users. I recommend testing the 34-day YNAB free trial to feel the difference. Before you dive in, let's quickly review the common pitfalls you must avoid when choosing and using a budget app. The biggest mistake is ignoring the YNAB learning curve and quitting too early. Also, don't let Mint nostalgia blind you. The platform is gone. Use a reliable successor. Another mistake is dual app overload. Track for just 1 month and pick a keeper. Real talk, stick to one. Also, be aware that many free Mint clones are plagued with invasive ads. That's our 2026 budget app battle summary. Now, it's your turn. Comment YNAB if you prefer structured budgeting. Like this video for more app hacks, and subscribe for more 2026 finance tips, like building your emergency fund. Grab your free budget app scorecard in the description below to compare your specific needs. Start budgeting better today.